To detect breathing interruptions during sleep using the Huawei Watch Fit 4, all you simply have to do is first go into the Huawei Health application. From here, you'll have to move for Devices, and then select your Huawei Watch Fit 4. From here, you will have to scroll down, and you will be able to find in this list right here, Sleep Breathing Awareness. This is basically this function to detect breathing interruptions, so let's tap on this one, and from here, you'll have to agree this process right here. Tap activate. Here is the information, what actually is this sleep breathing awareness, and here are the examples. Simply press the activate button, and now we have this activated successfully. And also, as we have this right here, make sure to go into this 4 dots on the top right corner and go for the sleep breathing awareness, and make sure that this function, sleep breathing awareness, is also turned on, that this switch is actually turned on. And from here, actually this is basically how to detect breathing interruptions during sleep. Here you will be able to see here's the usage notice, and hold on, actually right here you will see that access your breathing in a quiet environment, and this data can be synced when the device is connected to the phone. So basically all you simply have to do is just wear your watch every time you are going to sleep, and the watch will automatically actually measure your sleep process and also these breathing interruptions. So that's how to do this.